Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be wrapping the taillights on the Audi in Luxe Light Wrap. It's the mid-smoke color. I've been using Vivid for years and I've gotten honestly so tired of using Vivid products. So today we're going to try something new. We're going to go ahead, put it on the Audi, get these to look a lot better, and we'll see how it turns out in the end, and I'll see if I like Luxe compared to Vivid because, like I said, I mean, I've been using Vivid for years, but man, I am sick of using Vivid. Their vinyl sucks. So let's go ahead, get right into it, and get these taillights tinted and looking better. First things first, we got to clean this up. So what I like to use and what a lot of other people like to use is isopropyl alcohol. So that's exactly what we're going to use to just go ahead and clean everything up. So let's go ahead, wash that off, and then we'll get to wrapping. All right, so now we're all cleaned up. Went ahead and popped open the trunk to give me a little bit of room to work with the vinyl. So let's go ahead, get into actually wrapping the taillight. And like I said, I'm using Luxe for my tint. So we'll go ahead and wrap the light. Make sure you got heat, make sure you got squeegees, and you're ready to rock. All right, and just like that, we have one light done. And I can tell you, I used Vivid for years, and I don't think I'm ever going to order Vivid ever again because this looks way better. It works way better. So Vivid, you need to get your crap together before I ever think about using yours again because this stuff is pretty hard to beat, and it looks fantastic. Here's a little comparison of what it used to look like compared to now. Obviously looks a lot better now, so I like it a lot. So now we're just going to continue everything that we did, and we're just going to do all the other lights, and then we'll see the finished product. And there you have it. There is the final product. So I think that it turned out pretty good. It looks like pretty smoked, but not super dark to where you can't see the taillight. I can go ahead actually and show you guys the light output just so that way you can kind of see. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like with the lights on. So there's with the headlights on, so just your regular taillights, as well as the brakes. We can go ahead and throw the hazards on. So that was pretty much what a signal would look like. And beware, it's going to yell at me, but if I put it in reverse, I do have LED bulbs. So everything looks great. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. You've already seen, I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side. It's no sense in me showing you both sides. You're going to do the exact same thing, just on the other side. But anyways, I really like the look. I hope you guys like the look. And I have a really fun video planned for you in the next one. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. And the next video should be a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Everybody have a great day.